Amra, Abdurrahman's daughter, states that Ibn Ziyad wrote to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Whosoever sends the sacrificial animal to Makkah Mukarramah, everything becomes illegal for him that is illegal for a pilgrim while being in ihram until the sacrifice is slaughtered. I have also dispatched my sacrificial animals. So you may write me your advice in this connection." Amra says that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha in reply said, "Ibn Abbas' view is not valid. I with my own hands twisted the garlands for the sacrificial animals of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam garlanded them with his own hands. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent them to Makkah Mukarramah along with my father after sending the sacrificial animals. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not declare anything forbidden for himself which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had made lawful for him until the sacrifice was slaughtered." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3192.